welcome to my channel. This is my first scratch video. Okay, so let's start. Look, so the coding we are gonna do today is we're gonna make this a diamond do like this. You see, it's like it's so satisfying, right? So we are gonna make it in today's video. Let's see how to do this. Okay, subscribe for more of these videos. Okay, like and sub. Share your friends who are more interested in this coding. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now we are going to start with the default cat. Okay, now you see this cat. Replace this with go to sprite and search diamond. Okay, search diamond. It doesn't come. I thought it will come. Okay, if you go to fantasy, you see crystal. Click crystal and you will get this and delete the cat sprite. Yes. Okay. Now we are gonna make this spin as I showed in the previous clip. Let's see how to do it. Okay, like this we are gonna start up. From the events block, take when flag clicked. And from the looks, take the wait. You should scroll down and like we should take this block over here. Change brightness effect by -5. Okay, now we should go down. Wait, this one. Change color effect by 25. Click this arrow and change it to brightness and make it -5. Done. Okay, now from the motion block, take go to and click the X to 0 and the Y to 80. Done. Now take the wait, where is that? Here it is. Point in direction 90. And now let's see what happens. So it's in this particular area. Then now, like this, we're gonna do it. Take repeat block over here in control. And we're gonna make it to 500. Tough, right? Now we are gonna go to the looks block. We are gonna take what's that called, that thing, make clone. Wait, it's over here. Wait a minute. Here. Wait, what? I just saw here. Wait a second. Oh yeah, I just forgot it's in the control. Okay, now we're gonna take in the control. Put create clone of myself inside repeat 500. Now we are going to what's that called? Looks. Okay, and now we are gonna take change color effect by 25 and move 5 steps. Let's go. Change color by 25. Alright. Change color effect by 25. Done. And now we are gonna take this block which is in motion. Take the move 5 10 steps, okay? And change it to, oh god, I by myself click it and look what happens. Oh my god, it's glitching. Okay, we better stop it. Okay, done. Now we are gonna make it 5 steps and we are gonna take the turn and we are going to change it to 3 from 15. Done. Now let's see what happens. Flat click. Easy, right? We almost done it. We made a circle, but how to make it zoom in and zoom out like that? That effects, I'm going to show you how. Now from the control, take when I start as a clone. When I start as a clone block, okay? Take this block when I start as a clone and go for it. Take repeat, another repeat, another repeat. One repeat we're gonna put here, and two more inside it. Oh, wait, yeah, done. And this, the biggest repeat, we are gonna make it 100. Crazy, okay? Now we go to looks and take change size by, okay? We're gonna take change size by. Oh god, wait. Oh my god. The main problem is this. If you put it bad, oh my god, the problem. Finally. Another change size by over there. Done. And make one of them minus. Wait. Yeah. Now we created the zoom in and zoom out effect. Okay. Now let's see if it works. And this is how to do this effect. Like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to comment what was the favorite part of you, and comment more topics if you want to, so I can create the videos for you. Bye.